Hey, curious minds! Welcome to Guess the Object. Under the microscope, you'll see super zoomed in photos of everyday things. Look closely, think carefully, and try to guess what each object is. Ready? Let's begin! What's this? Eggshell. Can you guess what this is? T-shirt fabric. Here comes another one. What could it be? Honey. Look closely. What do you think this is? Toothpaste. Observe well. Can you tell what this is? Wood grain. Can you figure this one out? Flour. Zoom in. What do you think this is? Sugar. What's under the microscope now? Human hair. Take a guess. What's this leafy thing? Tree leaf. Can you crack this one? Circuit board. What's this pink substance? Bubble gum. This one's tricky. What is it? Eraser. Crunch crunch. What snack is this? Potato chip. Here's something smooth and shiny. What could it be? Glass. What's this winged detail? Butterfly wing. Can you guess this one? Ink on paper. Look at this green close up. What is it? Grass blade. Guess what this scrubby thing is? Sponge. You eat this for breakfast, what is it? Cereal. What's this soft waxy stuff? Crayon. Awesome job, microscope masters! How many did you guess right? If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool quizzes. See you in the next challenge. Bye for now.